The world is in a major energy crisis right now, and by the year 2088, we will have totally depleted our oil and fossil fuel supply. The currently available renewable resources such as wind, water, and solar power are not up to par to stop the crisis.
But what if there was a way that we could find a cheaper and easily renewable resource? Well, as I started researching, I found a device known as a piezo. A piezo is a device that when any sort of stress is applied to it, it generates electricity. I also started thinking, how could I implement this in an easy-to-use way? We can't just all carry on piezos and keep on tapping them, right? So, I thought of vehicular motion. As vehicles consistently pass over the same spot, they would push the piezos down and generate electricity. This is traffic. I used a full-wave rectifier circuit to turn the natural alternating current of piezos into direct current.
These are the 4 piezos that I used for my experimenting.
This prototype has 11 piezo sensors put together with a 3D printed block at the top. The block is so that even if a car goes just over the corner, all of them will go down, which means that all of them will generate electricity. I realized that I had a major problem. Me consistently tapping was very weird and not at all consistent. So I decided to create this reciprocating motion machine. This machine has a lever at the top where it will constantly move back and forth.
My robot is consistently pressing down the piezos to get a very steady motion, which can be seen in the oscilloscope reader.
I wanted to implement this in my town of Mason, so I found the top 4 busiest intersections based on city data and sampled my own data during that time. I found that the Mason-Montgomery and Tylersville intersection had the most traffic. My next steps would be to work with my local engineering department to help implement this in my town. Thank you very much for giving me and my project Trafenerate this opportunity. Together, I know that we can make our world a better place